What are you waiting for down at this end of the board edger, Jill?
I'm waiting for you to send me some wood.
You heard it first, guys. I'm going to send her some wood right through this little blue chute.
All right.
All right, we're out here at the Range Road board edger. We got these boards for the pavilion. We've been working on these roof deck boards, and they're about 6.5 inches, 7 inches, and we're knocking them down to 5.5 inches and straight lining the heck out of them. They come out really straight on a sawmill if we got good blades, but around notch you will get a little variable. So when you butt boards up, sometimes you might have a 1/16 or an 1/8 inch gap. This literally makes it perfect, guys. So we're gonna get this fired up. Hopefully there's enough gas in it. I think we got about maybe 20 to do.
Yeah.
Probably 20. All right.
A little bit more.
I don't know, maybe about the same. How did it go for you?
I can't believe how fast it went. I was looking at it. I'm like, oh, we're done.
And I've mentioned it before. This is her birthday present. She's not run it yet. These were some boards I wanted to make sure they got in straight. She's going to start running the flitches, though. We got a bunch of flitches to do over there yet still. And that's when she'll cut her teeth on it. And now will be the catcher in stacking all the wood. But the wood my wood went shooting through to the other side just fine.
Went quick. I did not feel like Lucy and Ethel. I got a system down and I was able to catch it.
15 minutes, guys, and we did at least 25 boards, 20 to 25 boards. And I was waiting for it. I didn't want to keep sending them down there while...
It works fast.
Yeah, it's really fast. So I'm very pleased with the Range Road Edger. If you live in Michigan, check out Runnin Gears up in Harrison, Michigan. Talk to Lorena, Marcus, or Josie, and they can get you set up for one of these. I think they're sitting around $5,500 new, probably about $6,000 out the door. And it's a great addition to any lumberyard, whether it's a homeowner sawmill like the Frontier that I have, my Frankenstein Frontier, or you have a Wood Miser or Timber King. This is going to get you at that next level. Very pleased again. So let's go build a pavilion.
All right.
All right.
Let's do it. And if this is my birthday present, I was going to think of something for you.
Okay. Maybe some new cookware or something.
Or maybe
Lawnmower.
a side-by-side.
All right, guys. Take care. We'll see you next time out here.
Have a good one.